Bonjour, mon ami. Je m'appelle Veronique. Bienvenue, House of Cid. Wait a minute. Are you guys on the right channel? You are. You are. Hi, everyone. It's Cafecito time, and this is Veronica. And I guess this new capsule is like making me speak French. You guys have to stick around because I'm so excited to try this. I've been trying to get this capsule for a while now. It's finally available here in the US and I'm super excited. So make sure you stick around. Okay guys, that was like the extent of my French. I took French my first year of college, and yeah, I just remember the basics. Hello, bonjour, je m'appelle Veronique. That's about it. I've been dying to try out my French while I try the French Paris Espresso. So let's get our review going. So, as you guys may have known, if you are following the Nespresso news, the Paris Espresso was released a couple years ago and it was very popular, and people that were lucky enough to buy it and had extra boxes of it were selling it. I've seen boxes, one box of this espresso, Paris Espresso, sell for up to like $100, $150. Craziness. As much as I wanted to try it, I was not going to pay the crazy prices. I even saw people selling the individual capsules for like 20, 30 bucks. Nuts. No way. So I said I could wait. I could wait till it comes back, which it has. And let's see. This is, it's only $8, so it's not that expensive. So if you love this capsule and you've tried it before, stock up because you know it's going to sell out. I've never had it before, so I'm going to try it, and if I love it, of course, I'm going to order more. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the box. Beautiful. I love the little black and white Paris Espresso. Let's see what it has to say here. It is a, they recommend drinking it as an espresso, intensity 6, so kind of medium. Paris boasts a rich cafe culture. Of course, we all know about the cafes in Paris, which I'm dying to go to one day. This is where people enjoy philosophizing over coffee. Yes. World Explorations Paris Espresso transports you to these terraces with its balanced blend of lightly roasted Latin American Arabicas emboldened by Vietnamese Robusta. Oh, so it's a combination. This delicately bitter cup with cereal and citrus notes. Okay, you guys know I like my cereal notes. And if you saw my exotic Limina over ice, then, you know, we're kind of getting into the citrus notes too. It says it lives up to the Parisian, okay, let me read that again. This delicately bitter cup with cereal and citrus notes lives up to the Parisian cafe experience. Ooh la la. It says drink it like a local. Enjoy your cup black or as a café au lait with a French pastry. Oh my God, I wish I had a croissant right now. Okay, so let's look at the box. Black with the little, I don't know what this is called. It's not checkered. It's not gingham. You know what this pattern is called? Let me know. So we're going to open it up. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Guys, it's beautiful. Beautiful little capsule, black with the little white print. I love it. I'm very, very excited. Okay, so I'm going to try it just as is, and then we'll try and be fancy and Parisian. Okay, so we're going to make our little shot. So if you tried this before, I think it's been a few years, definitely more than 2 because I've had my machine for 2 years now, and this was not available since the time I've had it. I think maybe 3-4 years ago it was released, and was a very, very popular. Like I said, people were buying boxes of it, reselling it. So I don't know, maybe as an investment I'll buy a few boxes, and you know, never know. Okay. Scent wise, I don't smell, just, you know, coffee, espresso. I don't really smell any like citrus or anything of that sort. So let's give it a try. Ooh. Mm. Ooh. Okay, okay. I see I see the hype. It's pretty good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Ooh, I think I need to drink this with my little pinky up. You guys, this is good. Not too strong, not too mild. I don't really get citrus or cereal notes, but it is a little, I don't want to say bitter, but it does have a little bit of a like tanginess to it. I don't know. I can't explain it. I'm just like, I'm like in cafecito heaven right now. Love it. Okay, it's good. It's good as is. So now let's try it. Let's try it as a café au lait and pretend we are in, you know, little cafe in Paris. So I'm going to make one more shot. And while that is brewing, I have 4 ounces of just regular 2% milk. Olay means milk. Olay. Olay. L-A-I-T is how you spell it. Milk in French. Like I said, I only took 1 year of French, like 30 years ago. Okay. I have my cute little Missoni for Target little cup here. So I'm going to add my milk. I'm going to add my shot. Oh my God, that looks beautiful. That looks so beautiful. You guys have to see this. So beautiful. Look at that beautifulness. Okay, so let's give it a try with the milk. I really, really wish I had a French pastry croissant, but I don't, which is okay. Bon appetit. I don't know. Do you say bon appetit when you drink? I don't know, but bon appetit. Ooh. Okay. We can't let this second shot go to waste, so we're going to pour it in there. I just need my little beret. I'm joking. Wow. Very mild. So if you want to drink something mild, more, you know, like, yeah, just mild, drink it with milk. I like it. Now I know why people were going crazy. Now I know why people were spending so much money. But you guys, it's only $8. So stock up now. Paris Espresso. Really good. I like it. I'm enjoying it. Like I said, I wish I had a croissant. So I'm going to have to go buy a croissant. so I can enjoy more of it. So guess what I'm doing after this video? I'm going to the website and I'm going to order more because $8 is my kind of price. I'm not paying no crazy markups, you know, from people on the internet. You guys, Paris is yum. It's good. I like it. Good job, Nespresso. Thank you for bringing it back. Let me know if you bought this. Let me know if you've tried it. If you've tried the older Paris Espresso, let me know if it tastes the same. Leave me a comment if it's the same, if it's a little bit different. Yeah, so make sure you subscribe to our channel if you love our coffee videos. Give our videos a thumbs up, share them with your friends and family. Don't forget, I have the super thanks button now, and if you want to buy me a cup of coffee, go ahead and click on the coffee link. And yeah, thanks everyone, and we'll see you guys next week. Bonjour. Oh, bonjour is hello. How do you say goodbye? Au revoir. Au revoir.